Good morning from Kennewick, Washington. We are all clouded up today after being bombed yesterday hard. Waxed, actually. Got these big storm clouds moving in, but I saw something underneath them. I'll try and get a better view over here. Look at this back behind them. Wonder what that is. Stripes in the sky. Look at that over there. Don't ask me what that noise is. I have absolutely no idea. It's black up there. So dark. Even with all these big chunks of blue, it's so dark. There's the sun, I think. Alright, well, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna get under cover. Great day, all. Good luck out there. Be safe. Much love. I'm out.